Good morning, students. Welcome to my class of subject Maths 2, Chapter 8, Trigonometry. My dear students, in my previous lecture, I have completed practice set 8.1. Now, today, we are going to start directly practice set 8.2. But before starting practice set 8.2, let me recall this. This is the statement with the help of which you are getting 12 formulae: old Henry and his old aunt. Sine formula for sine, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. Cos formula is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan formula is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now come reverse. Cot formula is adjacent side upon opposite side. Sec formula is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And cosec formula is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Okay, these are the 6 and more 6 you are getting. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin. You can see sin is down. So cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. ओके इसको उल्टा कर देंगे तो sin थीटा मींस 1 अपॉन cosec थीटा. अगेन हियर sec थीटा मींस 1 अपॉन cos थीटा. इसको उल्टा कर देंगे तो cos थीटा मींस 1 अपॉन sec थीटा हो जाएगा. cot थीटा मींस 1 अपॉन tan थीटा and tan थीटा मींस 1 अपॉन cot थीटा. So like this you are getting 12 formulae. Okay, now before starting now practice set 8.2, let me give one good news to you. And the good news is that, if you pay attention, from practice set 8.2, sum number 1, okay, column number 5, 7, 8 and 9, these are omitted. The sums are omitted by the government. Once again I am saying, column number 5, 7, 8 and 9. These sums are omitted by the government. Okay. So now we are starting first sum, column number 1. You can see cos theta is 35 upon 37. And we have to find out sin theta and tan theta. We have to find out sin theta and tan theta. How to find out sin theta and tan theta I will show you. So here cos theta is equal to 35 upon 37. This is given. So theta I am giving here. Theta is here. Okay, this side I am giving in the diagram. So cos theta is 35 upon 37. But cos theta formula, your cos theta formula is what? Your cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side for theta, now this is 90 degree, so hypotenuse is this opposite side. So adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So therefore BC upon AC will be 35 upon 37. Okay, BC upon AC. BC will be 35 and AC will be here. AC will be 37. We have to find out AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we will write first, let BC is equal to 35K. We have to assume in K. Why? Because K it is in ratio. So there is a common multiple for both. So we have to assume in K. So let BC is equal to 35K and AC is equal to 37K. You have to assume in K. K will get cancelled. Don't worry about K. K will get cancelled. Okay. Now you have to find out AB. So now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So your Pythagoras theorem, you know, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now we will put the values. Okay. So your Pythagoras theorem is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. One side square plus other side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now I will put the value. AB value you don't know. So AB square will be same. BC is 35K. 35K the whole square. And AC is 37K. 37K the whole square. And therefore AB square plus 35 square, you know 35 square, as I told you, I taught you also. Okay, 5 का square होता है 25, 5 का square होता है 25, 3 के बाद में आता है 4, तो 3 multiply by 4, both you have to multiply. 3 के बाद क्या आता है, what comes after 3? 4, तो 3 4s are 12, 1 2 2 5 k square. Okay, directly we are getting. और 37 का square if you will do, so you will get 1369. 1369 k square. Okay. Now this will go there, becomes minus. So therefore AB square is equal to 1369 k square minus 1225 k square. So you will get now, therefore AB square is equal to 144 k square. Taking square root, you know, taking square root. Taking square root, you will get AB is equal to 12k. So you got this 12k. Okay. AB you got 12k. Achha. Now we want the value of sin theta and tan theta. We want the value of sin theta and tan theta. Please copy down this. Okay, now after getting AB value 12k, we know all the three values now. You want answer for sin theta. Therefore, sin theta is what? Now see the formula. Formula you know, opposite side upon hypotenuse. See, theta is here. Okay, so opposite side is AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Correct? So AB is 12k and AC is 37k. K and K will get cancelled. You got the answer 12 upon 37. Sin theta answer you got it. Also you want tan theta. This is the last one. Okay, tan theta. Now tan theta formula you can see here. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So theta is here. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. Okay, so you will get AB is 12k and BC is 35k. K and K will get cancelled. You got the answer 12 upon 35. So here we got the answer for sin theta and for tan theta. Sum is very easy. Okay, why easy? Because previous practice set we have solved. You know previous practice set, correct? So we have solved in this manner only, na? Only in this practice set. The new is what you know. New is you have to use Pythagoras theorem. You will use Pythagoras theorem and you will find the third side. third side you will find out. Okay, and then afterward you know very well. We are using the formula and we are getting the answer. See, k got cancelled. K is all cancelled here. Okay, k is not there now. You got the answer. So only we are assuming k. Why we are assuming k? Because it is in the ratio. If you will not assume k, then also it's okay. Okay, I will not give wrong. Okay, now come to sub question 2 from question number 1. Diagram we have to draw. Diagram is same. Okay, triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Theta I have given here only, same. Now sin theta is 11 upon 61. 11 upon 61. But sin theta, you know the formula. Sin theta formula is here. You can see here, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so your opposite side, theta का opposite side है AB, and hypotenuse, you know, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, AB upon AC is 11 upon 61. AB is 11 and AC is 61. So we will assume in K. As I told you, it is in ratio, so we will assume in K. Let AB is equal to 11K, okay, and AC is equal to 61K. Okay, we have to assume in K. Now we have to find out BC. This third side we have to find out. How to find out? You know very well now. We have to find out BC with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay, therefore AB is 11K, so I am writing 11K the whole square, plus BC don't know, and AC is 61K, so 61K the whole square. Therefore, now 11 square, you know, 11 square is 121. All of you know very well. Okay, if you don't know, there is one trick. If unit place number is 1, then only you can use this trick. 1 का 1 same, okay, last unit place same. ये 1, this one, इसका डबल करने का, 1 का डबल होता है 2, और 1 का स्क्वायर होता है 1, so 121 k square. Only and only you can use this trick when unit place is 1. There is no need to multiply. Now this is simple number 11. So 11 square, you know, 121 k square. Okay, let's see here. यहाँ पे देखो. Now 1 का 1 same. Okay, last digit is same. 6 का यहाँ पे 6 है. 6 का डबल किया. 6 का डबल, you know, 12. So 2 1 carry. 1 is carried. Okay, डबल किया. 6 का डबल किया तो 12 हो गया 1 कैरी. ओके, अच्छा 6 का स्क्वायर, अभी 6 का स्क्वायर होता है 36. 36 प्लस 1, दिस वन, यू विल गेट 37, 3721 k square. So 61 square you will get 3721 k square. K is there, so k square will be same. Okay, so very easy for the unit place. 1 you can do the square. 1 का 1 same, once again I am repeating, 1 का 1 same लिखने का, 6 का डबल करने का, whatever number is there here you have to double it. डबल कर दिया, 6 का डबल होता है 12, 2 1 कैरी. 1 हमको याद रखना है, कैरी किए. अभी 6 का स्क्वायर एक बार डबल किया तो एक बार स्क्वायर करने का. 6 का स्क्वायर होता है 36, 36 प्लस 1 37. Okay, very easy. Now you know this will go there, becomes minus. Therefore BC square is equal to 3721 k square minus 121 k square. So you will get, therefore, writing here, okay, therefore BC square is equal to 3600 k square, okay, and therefore BC is equal to, BC will be 60k, 60k. So you got now 60k, okay. After getting this, we want the value of cos theta and tan theta. Please copy it down, then I will show you how to get cos theta and tan theta also. Very easy sum for you, okay, same type sum, but still we are solving for you. Okay, now we want the value of cos theta, okay. So cos theta is equal to, cos का फॉर्मूला है adjacent side upon hypotenuse, right? Adjacent side, theta is here, adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is 60k and AC is 61k. K and K will get cancelled. Your answer is 60 upon 60. Okay. Also, we want tan theta. हमको चाहिए tan theta. तो tan theta का फॉर्मूला है opposite side upon adjacent side. Theta is here. Opposite side is AB और adjacent side है BC. So AB is 11k and BC is 60k. K will get cancelled. You got answer 11 upon 60. So very easily we are getting the answer. See, once you know this, very easily we are getting the answer. First of all, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Again I am saying Pythagoras theorem से हमको एक side find करने का. Okay, after getting one side, all three sides you know then, and then we have to use this formula. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3, same type sum. Now tan theta is given 1. So 1 means 1 upon 1 we can write. Tan theta formula is, tan theta formula, here you can see opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan theta formula is opposite side upon adjacent side. So theta is here, opposite side is this, so 1 AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay, BC is also 1. Therefore AB upon BC is equal to 1 upon 1. Let AB is equal to 1k and BC is equal to 1k. We have to assume in k. Okay. Now after assuming in k, you have to find out now AC. Third value you have to find out with the help of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So you know AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now AB is 1k, so 1k the whole square. BC is also 1k, 1k the whole square is equal to AC square. So इसका हो जाएगा 1k का 1 only, 1k square plus 1k square is equal to AC square, and therefore 1 plus 1 will be 2k square is equal to AC square, and therefore AC is equal to square root of 2k, because we cannot find the square root 2 ना, so it will be in under root, और k square का square root आता है k, so you will get AC is equal to root 2 k. Is that clear all of you? 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होता है, k स्क्वायर का k स्क्वायर सेम, अल्फाबेट स्क्वायर इज सेम, अल्फाबेट का स्क्वायर सेम रहता है. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2k square. Okay, how to remove the square root? 2 का स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलता है, तो अंडर रूट में रहेगा रूट 2k. So AC you got now root 2k. Okay, after this now you want value of sin and cos. हमको चाहिए sin theta and cos theta. So I am writing here. Continue. Okay, now sin theta. What is the formula for sin theta? You know, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 1k and AC is root 2k. K will get cancel. You will get 1 upon root 2. उसके बाद में चाहिए also cos theta. So cos theta is equal to, formula is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Theta is here, adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so BC है तुम्हारे पास 1k और AC है root 2k. K will get cancel. Your answer is 1 upon root 2. So here we have completed this sum number 3 also very easily. Okay, same type sum in question number 1. In question number 1 we have same type sum, so please copy down. Okay, now come to sum number 4. Okay, same type sum again, same type sum है. Okay, sin theta is 1 upon 2, sin theta is 1 upon 2, but sin theta formula you know, sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, your opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore AB upon AC is equal to 1 upon 2. AB is 1 and this is 2. But we have to assume in K. Sorry. Let AB is equal to 1K and AC is equal to 2K. So we have to assume in K. Now we have to find out the value of BC, as you know, with the help of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem is, you know, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB is 1K, 1K का square, BC you don't know, same, and AC is 2K, 2K का square. तो ये हो जाएगा 1K square plus BC square is equal to 4K square. This will go there, becomes minus. So BC square is equal to 4K square minus 1K square. So you will get BC square is equal to 3K square. Okay, and therefore BC will be, therefore BC is equal to root 3K. BC value you will get root 3K. Okay, because 3 का square root हम लोग नहीं लिख सकते, we cannot find out ना 3 का square root, so it will be under root 3. अच्छा, now we want cos theta and tan theta. Okay, I will continue here. Now cos theta तुमको चाहिए cos theta, तो cos theta का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC और hypotenuse है AC. Okay, there is no need to write adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now directly you can write the AB BC upon AC. तो BC है √3k और AC है 2k. K will get cancelled. You got the answer √3/2. Also tan theta. tan theta का फॉर्मूला क्या है? tan theta का फॉर्मूला है opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side will be AB and adjacent side is BC. तो AB का है 1k और BC का है √3k. K and K will get cancelled. You got the answer. Tan theta is 1/√3. Okay. So likewise we have completed sum number 4 also. Sum number 4 is completed. Same type sum in question number 1, sub question 4 we have completed. Now one question, one column is remaining, that is sum number 6, column number 6, that is remaining, and that you have to solve by yourself. I am not going to solve that because 4 sums I have solved, same type sum. Okay, one sum you have to solve it by yourself. Okay, so here we have completed question number 1. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.